The first time you see the feed coming off a drone, you start to realize that this device can put all kinds of things into its context, into its place.
The challenge we're facing is we're all pioneers in this. There's a brand new legal landscape. Technology is always moving at this exponential rate, and the law is always trying to catch up. Some of the challenges we're going to have are constitutional ones. I really want to start a conversation here today.
Drones have amazing potential. They really open up a vantage point that isn't necessarily available through any other means.
The Google News Lab's mission is to build the future of media with journalists and entrepreneurs.
While we as a country try and figure out how to harness the innovation, having leaders in the space discuss what are these emerging public policy issues and legal issues, and discuss how we as a community can overcome them, it makes the impact of an event like this immeasurable.
I want people to understand that drone technology is something that very soon will be available for everyone.
The FAA embraces the use of drones and really are looking increasingly at the news media as one of the leaders in the space. They welcome feedback from the news media as they come up with solutions to those challenges.
These events are really special, and the Google News Lab loves hosting them because we feel we have opportunity to convene people to have really important conversations that can enrich the state of journalism.